The first step to heat apply Fashion-FILM Electric is to load your garment onto the press, ensuring that the print area is completely flat. That means removing any collars, zippers, button, seams from the pressing area. Next, we want to set up our time, temperature, and pressure. In this case, Fashion-FILM Electric applies at 320 degrees, so we'll set that temperature, and it takes 15 seconds. I'm going to program a preheat for 5 seconds and the actual application of a full 15 seconds. At that point, I'm ready to adjust my pressure. Depending on your heat press, you will have a pressure adjustment somewhere on the machine. On the Hotronics machine, when I lock the press down, it will actually read a pressure on the control board. I'm at a 4 pressure, which is on a scale from 0 to 9. Fashion-FILM Electric requires a medium pressure on your heat press, which would be a 4, 5, or 6 if using a Hotronics machine. Now that I've preheated and I have my pressure at the 4, I'm going to position my design in place. Fashion-FILM Electric has a sticky backing, so it can hold to the garment nicely with contact. You can choose to use a cover sheet if you'd like, but since no vinyl is exposed directly to the heater, I can lock the machine down and complete the application. Again, it takes a full 15 seconds to apply at a medium pressure at 320 degrees. Fashion-FILM Electric is a hot peel. I'm going to grab corner to corner and I can peel immediately at a 45-degree angle, revealing my highly durable result.